Picture having an employee who's always on time and never calls in sick. Imagine building dazzling itineraries for your clients in minutes, not hours. AI can help you finally reclaim those weekends you thought were lost forever. This is about working smarter, not just harder. Honestly, we were skeptical at first as well. After decades in this industry, we've weathered every big shift that you can imagine. And when someone suggested AI itineraries, we had our doubts. But then we put it to the test with an incredibly challenging family scenario. And to our surprise, the chatbot delivered a detailed, thoughtful plan in under a minute. That was the moment that we realized AI in travel planning isn't the future, but it's already here. And many travel agents worry that AI will replace the human touch. But the real story is those who embrace AI as a tool will leave their peers behind. Think of AI as your behind-the-scenes coworker, not your competitor. And with AI, you can quickly produce creative first drafts that get you ahead of the game. Use it to double-check logistics like timing, visas, and travel routes, and tap into live data for updates on hours, pricing, and availability. The result for your client? A seamless professional itinerary that impresses every time. Here's where things get interesting. Not all AI tools are created equal. Each one has its own strengths and personality quirks. Think of them as your own team of freelance specialists. ChatGPT is the friendly all-arounder, great at making detailed, polished itineraries and synthesizing information from a wide range of sources. It can even connect with travel platforms like Expedia and Kayak right from the chat. Now, Claude is the analytical one, perfect for catching tricky logistics, optimizing budgets, and flagging risks that other tools might miss. This is the tool to run complex multi-leg or luxury itineraries, especially when accessibility or precision matters. Now, Google's Gemini's superpower is live information, real-time access to hours, prices, and availability pulled directly from Google itself. And if you need to verify something, that it's open or it's up to date, Gemini can check instantly. Knowing the best tool for your task is really half the battle. With this lineup, you're not choosing just one, you're actually building a toolkit. So let's look at some more specialized tools that can boost your workflow. Perplexity AI acts like the academic librarian, always giving you the original source. It's perfect for double-checking if a restaurant is still open or if entry requirements have changed somewhere. If you need citations or up-to-the-minute verification, this is the tool to reach for. Microsoft Copilot is a game changer for agencies who live inside Microsoft 365. It really takes your AI-based itinerary and drops it right into Word or Excel. And you can summarize email conversations and generate client briefs without ever leaving Office. It's total efficiency for anyone that's deep into the Microsoft ecosystem. Now, for something that's all about what's happening right now, Grok is trained on X, formerly Twitter. It's invaluable for trending destinations and real-time events impacting travel. Meta AI is seamlessly built into platforms that your clients are already using, like WhatsApp or Instagram. That means you can keep the conversation going with clients right where they are at no extra cost. Now, these tools make your AI team even more adaptable and ready to handle any scenario. Let's talk about what it actually costs to add these AI tools to your workflow. Most of the top platforms offer a free plan, so you can try before you commit. And when you look at professional options, the sweet spot for pricing really hovers around $20 a month. Think of that as the price of a couple specialty coffees for a huge leap in your productivity now. For just a modest investment, you're giving yourself hours back each week. And if you've been hesitating, cost is genuinely not the barrier anymore. Here's where most people go wrong when using AI for planning. A generic prompt gets you a generic answer, but the magic really happens when you give the tool rich, detailed context. Think about traveler profiles, dietary needs, mobility issues. Every detail matters. The difference is night and day in the quality of the itinerary that AI produces. Always spell out preferences, budgets, departure cities, and special requests. The more you front load the prompt, the more impressive your results will be. And don't trust AI on time-sensitive details. Always double-check hours, prices, and entry rules. Treat anything that AI gives you as your starting point, not your final draft. Use Perplexity or Google to make sure nothing's changed before handing it to your client. And paste your draft itinerary into Claude or ChatGPT and ask them to poke holes in it. They'll spot issues like impossible connections or better orderings that you might miss. And different tools shine in different areas, so don't rely on just one of them. Best workflow means starting with creative AI, verifying live details separately, and then finishing with a specialist tool for formatting. Layering tools covers your blind spots and catches mistakes before your client ever sees them. Think about how much time that you spend rewriting similar prompts over and over. Imagine having go-to templates ready for honeymoons, family trips, business travel, ready to personalize in just seconds. If you go ahead and set up master prompts, you're turning an hour's work into just a minute. Not only does this save you time, but it ensures consistent high quality across your itineraries. Building a reusable prompt library isn't just efficient, it's one of the smartest investments that you can make as a travel agent. Think of AI as your super fast, sometimes imperfect, but always helpful intern. Those who use it wisely will leave others in the dust. Don't wait. AI isn't coming. It's already here, and it's making a big difference. Stack your tools because no single AI can do it all. Mix and match ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity for the strongest results. But remember, every AI output deserves a quick human check before it hits your client's inbox. AI is for speed and creativity, but the agent's expertise still seals the deal. Now stay tuned for part 2, where we're going to go hands-on with dedicated itinerary apps. So thank you for watching this today. We truly hope you found it valuable. If you've enjoyed it, feel free to show your support by hitting like. And remember to subscribe for more insights and strategies to help you grow as a travel professional.